God of War. This is a must play. You cannot say you are a PlayStation fan or God of War fan if you have not played this game. This game is really cheap. Probably goes about retail $18 at GameStop. This game is fantastic. And SpiderMan. Oh my goodness. This game was runner-up for Game of the Year right behind God of War. Game of War. You guys know what I meant. It's all the same thing. Anyway, runner-up for Game of the Year. Fantastic graphics, visual sound, and the web swinging is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. You guys should definitely check it out. Incredible games and endless entertainment. Greatness awaits. Blah, blah, blah. You guys know the slogan. Comes with PlayStation Plus. Play online with your friends. You will need that unless you're playing Fortnite, which sucks. PlayStation View. This is their live TV service, which is actually ending in about 2 months. So I don't really know what to say about that. I mean, enjoy it while you can. And the PlayStation VR, this is a great accessory if you into VR. It's very reliable and very cheap. So if you ever got extra money, check it out. Unfortunately, I can't open this up. I'd love to and show you guys, but yeah, I'm gonna wait for the next video because it's actually they're actually my sons and they'd probably kill me. But thanks for watching, everybody. Bye bye.